Okay, so for my midterm course reflection, the three ideas that from each of the posts in the first half. I loved our discussion on whether or not a leader was born or made. Um, I've been thinking about that a lot since that first week, because I feel like in my classes, I have noticed that I do have like a lot of born leaders, and I love to see that. And I'm hoping that we can continue to grow those students as positive leaders. But I also know, like for myself, I was not a born leader. I really wasn't interested in doing any kind of leading until probably like when I was, I don't know, 10, 15 years into my career. So it's one of those things. Maybe it's not one or the other. Maybe it's a combination of both. And then when we interviewed our teacher leader co-workers or people in our lives, what impressed me was that all of the people that we chose and reflected on were all they all wanted something better for the profession, or they wanted something better for the students. I think we've all encountered people in education that want something better for themselves. And it's not necessarily for the good of the profession, but all of us chose people that were inspiring. And I mean, I know we wouldn't choose people that we didn't really get along with, but they were all people who it wasn't about self advancement. So I really like that. And then on the projects, I love how everyone is passionate about what they are doing with their project, and that they are wanting to continue to learn and demonstrate the idea of being lifelong learners to our students and to our peers, which I love. And everybody's excited about sharing their ideas and their lessons with everybody else. So I love that. As far as the reading that resonated most with me, it is the Mertler chapter about action research. Honestly, like this has not really entered my radar until recently, till we started taking these classes, and then especially now with this reading. Um, I feel like it's everywhere now, and I don't know if it's that Bader Meinhof phenomenon where like you read about it and it's like now on your radar, so you start to see it everywhere. I've been at conferences pretty much all summer, and like especially though this week, a keynote mentioned something about action research, and in one of the write-ups about what's new at Edu Protocols, that was their thing, that they are adapting and changing some of the edu protocols due to action research that teachers are performing. And I just love it because it's practitioner based research, and it's by people who have a vested interest in the research, and that they can do something immediately with the outcome of the research. So it's really intriguing me. And then what I continue to wonder, and I wonder with all of the classes and everything we learn, is how can I apply this to the classroom or my school? How can I make this learning relevant and worthwhile? So I think all of my like colleagues are really tired of me saying. So in my class at Purdue, I am learning, and then fill in the blank. Um, so um but I'm trying to apply what we are learning to my school and other situations.